Oh my god, look at that. Delicious. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some delicious crackers. The first thing that we will need is 2 cups of almond flour. Okay, and the almond flour that I am using is the Kirkland brand. To that, I am adding half of a cup of pecan flour, 1/8 teaspoons of salt. Mix this all together. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Wonderful recipes, great tips. So make sure everything is well combined. And now for the wet ingredients. I am adding 1/8 cups of olive oil, 1 flax egg, add my flax eggs. Then we're gonna mix this together. Make sure that it's well combined. What I'm gonna do right now is get in there with my hands. Make sure your hands are clean. Mine are clean. I washed them. Always wash your hands. Alright, so to make this a little easier, I'm gonna get in there with my hands, just like that. See that? Everything is great. Okay, I have my baking sheet. I'm gonna add my silicone mat. Get this in here. Put all the olive oil on top. Put it over it like this. Now this is the most work you're going to have to do for this recipe. Start rolling it out. Okay? Don't be afraid to roll it out. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy friends, so I rolled it out. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use my pizza cutter and just cut these into small little pieces the best I can. Alright, my healthy people, so these are our crackers. I am putting this in oh, wait. I am adding some everything bagel seasoning on top. Just like that. Okay, so let me put these in the oven. I'll be back. Hello, my healthy people. These are my crackers, though. This is what happened, right? I left them in the oven and got distracted. But I will have the correct time for everything for you. This is what they look like. They've been cooling for 15 minutes. And they are absolutely delicious. One thing I had to tell you guys is once you put the everything bagel season on it, press it in so it would stay. I forgot to do that, but just letting you know not to forget to do that. But this is what they look like. I will have the correct time and everything that you need for this recipe in the description box. Let's plate these, see what they look like. This is what these deliciousness looks like. They taste so good. You cannot freeze them, but you can have them with tomatoes, a little bit of hummus. Let's show you. Get a nice plate, get a cracker. I would get some hummus and I would spread it ever so lightly, just like that. Oh, and you hope that it doesn't fall. And I will add some tomatoes. Add some of your everything bagel. And voila, let me give this a taste here. Delicious. So good. These crackers are a great party pleaser. Dress it up as you like. No one will know that they're gluten-free. and they are absolutely yummy and delicious. Make them for your family. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And say with me, stay healthy.